Hello, awesome people from wherever you are in the world. Thank you for coming over to watch Pips and Points. I'm your host, Jono, and today we're going to be talking about the NAS 100 and opportunities that I found that I took advantage of, and what I plan to do in the future. And obviously, you can follow along as well, have a look, check out my reasoning, and by all means drop a comment below if there is anything that you feel you could add to overall help the community in terms of what we're talking about today, i.e. the NAS 100. So with nothing more to do, let's turn on the NAS 100, and this is a live market because US markets is still open today. So this is what we got going on right now, okay? And so far it all looks pretty well. At the beginning of the month, so around October 13th or possibly 14th, basically I took a trade, and I pretty much got it from here all the way up to about here, which was a really good play. And in between that, it was really choppy. So for example, I fell into most of the situation that most people fall into when they're beginners in this, and that is you start to protect what the profits you've made by bringing in the trailing stop. So I was getting closed out a lot during the rise up to this particular level until I literally cancelled out my trades, and it was essentially getting triggered out by my stops, which was all in profit. So it was profit all the way through. There was no issues whatsoever. We done well, but we could have done better if I had a little bit more confidence in what I was doing. Okay, so now at the moment I'm currently out of the markets, and the reason why I'm out of the markets is I made a couple mistakes here. So mistakes were made at this particular level when I thought it was still going up, but however I read it wrong and it came down. And what I've now decided to do, so that is it here. So this was where we went wrong. I put in a buy order around here, which clearly wasn't a buy at this level, and I got stopped out about here. So it was right, but however I got it at the wrong point. I should have got in here, and yeah, so I got stopped out, and I decided I wasn't going to do anymore. I was going to wait, and I'm going to explain my reasoning why I've decided that I'm basically going to wait to see until wait until we get a better opportunity. So let's go in here. Let me actually turn these off. So we've got a support level here. Actually, do you know what? I'm just going to refer to it as price action levels, because like, yeah, just simpler. So it's price action levels. Support, resistance is what I'm referring to. We're just going to just abbreviate into one word: price action levels. And okay, so we got a price action level here, and obviously we've got the most recent price action level, and that is that over here. And is this going to break that particular level, or is it going to come back down? So that's what we're waiting for, and I'm hoping to get in around this level. So let me get my arrow. So I'm hoping to get in around this level right here. Why isn't the arrow coming on? I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. Ah, that's it. It was the mouse arrow. Okay, so basically I'm hoping it's going to come down to about here, which is 15.719, and possibly make its way back up here. So this is what I kind of think it's going to do. I don't know if it's going to do that or not, but all I can do is just wait, because at the moment I'm seeing the double top, so we could punch through the double top and continue on his way. So effectively he could do what he's doing now, which is go that way and then pull back later. But I'm hoping that he's going to do the opposite, and it's going to come down to about here, and then it's going to push down. So I'm hoping to stick in some buy orders right around this level. Let's change the color to something a little bit more punchy. So let's make it a bit red. So I'm hoping to get in around this level for a buy to the upside. And should I follow along, I can see that it's kind of obeying this little line to the top, this little support that we have here. It's kind of slightly obeying it. It's not 100% obeying, but it's kind of obeying it. So we can kind of draw it to about this level and see that it definitely is doing that. And this here is for me, in my opinion, it's a relatively good gamble. So this is what I'm hoping to take advantage of in the coming weeks. So today is the 18th of November, Thursday, and I'm not doing anything today, and I don't plan to do anything tomorrow either because it's Friday. So what do I hope to get out of these moves? What am I trying to see out of these moves so far? So let me just get rid of all of these. Let's bring this down. Let's get rid of this also. I'm going to keep the support levels there because I think they play a little role. And what are the rules that I'm going to aim to follow? So the rules I'm aiming to follow is this. Let me go in close, a little bit close, right? So these are the rules I'm aiming to follow, and I actually think it is going to break that. It's going to outperform. And the rules is this: I need the next wick to open and close above this box right here, and that will give me the confidence to say this is a continuous uptrend, and I am going to look for the next pullback and then join that trend up, which is what it is. This is basically a continuous uptrend, but you're looking for the best points to buy. And at this point I thought that this was going to give me a much lower low, and it never did. So will it give me a lower low around this level, which is 1571.9? Will it give me that lower low at this level, which is in line with this price action level over here? Or will it continue on its journey upwards, and this would be the new price action level that I will need to keep an eye on, which is 1647, yeah, 1647, 8 or 6, depending on what it's doing, because it's kind of fluctuating between at the moment. So yeah, so that is my assessment for today. I possibly might do another video tomorrow. I do hope that you guys have enjoyed what you've seen so far. I know the video is quite short, but we are doing this in real time. I'm assuming that most of you viewers would already know how to kind of read the charts already, and this is just my way of doing it. So once again, I want to thank you all for coming over and giving the video a little watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment, especially with your thoughts, your ideas, and I will respond to that in the next video. So thank you very much. Have yourself an awesome day. Stay blessed. And I'm just sending love, blessings, and winning vibes to you all. Thanks for coming over and watching my channel.